In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Shopee M02. This promotion cannot be redeemed issues. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so this usually happens when trying to use a voucher or promo code that isn't eligible for your order. So there's a few ways to fix this. Now, step number one, or fix number one, is check your voucher eligibility. So open the voucher details before applying it. Make sure the minimum spend is met. Also, the voucher is valid for the items in store in your cart. The voucher is not expired or used up, and the payment method matches the voucher requirement. So, for example, only valid for Shopee or COD. Fix number two is to verify your account or region. So some promotions are regional specific. So, for example, only valid in Malaysia, Philippines, etc. Now, we want to go ahead and ensure your Shopee app region and address matches the promo's target country. Now, fix number three is to go to your Player App Store, go ahead and search for Shopee. Make sure the app is up to date. So if it says update, go ahead and update. If it doesn't say update, that means your app is already up to date. Now, fix number four is to clear the Shopee app cache. So what this does, so clearing the cache removes stored app data that might cause errors. So long press onto the Shopee app, then click onto I to get into app info, and scroll down and then click into storage and click onto clear cache. You can also clear data, and that's going to sign you out and you'll lose all data. Now, fix number five is to go ahead and try a different payment method. So some vouchers only work with specific payment types. So try using Shopee Pay or a credit debit card. Avoid cash on delivery if the voucher excludes it. Now, if all else fails, you might need to go ahead and contact Shopee support. So open up the Shopee app or website and then basically navigate to customer service and then tap chat with Shopee, then explain the issue, provide screenshot of the error, voucher code, and time and date you tried to redeem them.